Welcome to my Master English Stories YouTube channel to read and listen to this beautiful story of a young boy named Ethan and his dog. Title: A Bond Beyond Words. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Ethan. He was a bright-eyed and adventurous child who had a heart full of compassion. His best friend and constant companion was a furry, energetic, and incredibly loyal golden retriever named Max. Ethan and Max were inseparable. They had grown up together, their bond formed from the very first day Ethan brought Max home as a fluffy puppy. From that moment on, their connection flourished. They spent hours exploring the fields, running along the riverbanks, and even embarking on small adventures into the nearby woods. While Ethan's friends at school talked and laughed, he preferred the company of Max. Max never judged, never questioned, and never failed to offer a comforting paw whenever Ethan was down. They communicated through unspoken words and shared emotions. It was as if they had their own secret language. One summer day, a flyer appeared in the village square announcing a local dog show. Ethan's eyes lit up with excitement as he read the details. He decided that it was finally time to showcase Max's talents to the world. With unwavering determination, Ethan and Max began practicing every day. They worked on tricks, obedience, and even a few dance moves that Max seemed to enjoy. As the day of the dog show approached, Ethan's excitement grew, but so did his nerves. He knew that Max was amazing, but the idea of presenting their unique connection to a crowd was both thrilling and intimidating. Finally, the day of the dog show arrived. The sun shone brightly in the sky, casting a warm glow over the event. Families from all around the village gathered to watch the dogs perform their tricks and compete for prizes. When it was their turn, Ethan and Max stepped into the spotlight. Ethan felt his heart race, but as he looked at Max, he saw nothing but determination in the dog's eyes. The bond they shared was unbreakable, and that gave Ethan the confidence he needed. Ethan gave Max a nod, and they began their routine. Max flawlessly followed each command, twirling, leaping, and even doing a little dance that had the audience laughing and clapping. The bond between the boy and his dog was palpable, radiating a warmth that touched the hearts of everyone watching. As they finished their performance, the applause was thunderous. Ethan and Max took a bow, their faces beaming with pride and joy. Even though they couldn't understand each other's words, their connection spoke volumes. When the judges announced the winners, Ethan and Max's names were called out for the top prize. The crowd erupted in cheers as they were presented with a shiny trophy and a ribbon. But the true victory was the bond they had shared all along. From that day on, Ethan and Max continued to explore, play, and grow together. Their unspoken connection only deepened, and they became an inspiration to everyone who witnessed their friendship. And so, in a village nestled between rolling hills, a young boy and his dog proved that love and understanding could transcend words. Ethan and Max's story was a reminder that sometimes the strongest bonds are those that are felt in the heart, not spoken with the mouth. The end.